Hey, what's going on? It's Rico with No Boring Concrete back at the Lakeland Airport. Last time we were here, we did the hangar. Then we jumped over to do the pilot's lounge. There were some issues where they were moving some stuff here in the hangar, chipped up a little bit of the floor. I told them, don't worry about it. I'll come back, I'll fix it. I want to make sure these floors look awesome. Trying to keep the customers happy. So let's do a quick walkthrough of the space that we have here. Usually this thing's holding about 3 jets. Right now it's just one, and I think there's one sitting outside. And then they've added a booth, which is like a recording studio, podcast studio of some sort. But anyways, this place is looking pretty good. It's held up pretty well. Here's the overview of the floor. Large space. If you have an industrial warehouse, a manufacturing plant, industrial, commercial, we do the residential garages. This is something we came in, the floor was super jacked up. You might see on the previous videos. Horrible floor, and we ground it, we prepped it, exposed the aggregate, try to flatten out some areas, patched some areas. Some areas had some really bad gouges, some areas had some moisture issues. So we came through and ground it down, put 2 coats of this gloss finish on here. Obviously you can see it's made to hold up against tire marks, heavy traffic, pallets. Yeah, this thing right here is moving the jet right here. Tires, all that kind of stuff. Now these guys are taking an extra precaution, which I really appreciate, when they're actually putting some padding underneath the tires. Anytime you have a vehicle of any sort, rubber, anything rubber like sitting on any type of sealer, any finish, eventually it'll trap the moisture in there and start to wear down the surface. When that tire moves, it could peel up the surface, but that's just giving you a heads up. So it can withstand parking cars coming in and out, turning tires, hot tires, all that stuff. But just know, if you let the tire sit for a long time, that you're going to have issues without a doubt. So just kind of plan for that, be smart about it, protect your investment. But again, I just wanted to say we're here, we're happy they're reaching out to us during COVID season to make sure things are moving forward. This door was awesome too, because in the process when we were working on it, we had to slide this thing from left to right, and like 4 or 5 different panels. Now they push a button, this thing just go, lifts up, like a Lamborghini door or some sort, like the new Tesla doors. But anyways, check us out on Facebook, Instagram, noboringconcrete.com. You know where to find us. See you.